I just got a mail for, like a month ago from one of my friends. He asked me about this whole intermittent fasting thing. He was asking me, is intermittent fasting, is it good for me? Or will it just ruin my body, man? Can I gain bicep? Can I gain bicep weight on doing intermittent fasting? And at first I was not writing him back right away. I was just thinking for myself. I was like, God damn you nigga, why do you ask me such question, man? Ask me all them questions, I don't like that shit. Intermittent fasting, just the word fasting, man. How would you get a bicep by fasting, man? You need to eat. My first saying, my top saying is, eat protein, protein, protein. Eat beef, beef, beef. Nothing else, man. Just protein, beef. And your bicep would go big as mine. And then I wrote him back. I said to him, I don't think this shit is good for you, man, because I don't believe in all this fasting shit, you know. You don't want to be like no skinny bitch out there, man. You don't want to be no skinny motherfucker, man. You want a big bicep motherfucker. And I said to him, because I'm a good human being, man. I'm a sweet person. I'm a sweet person, man. I'm a good people. I am a good people. And then I said to him, son.
We heard you, man. You are good people, man. What you said to him then?
Don't interrupt my symbol. I said to him, I'm a good people. And I said, because I'm a good people, I'm going to try this intermittent fasting. So you will not have to ruin your own body to see if this shit is good for you. And I tell you, son. I tell you, I've been working for 10 years straight. 10 years, man, to get this bicep. You've seen, I've shown it to you. I've shown your bicep. I've shown my bicep to you, man. You've seen it, man. It's huge. It's humongous, man. It's crazy, man. It's like a tank or something. And I said to him, I will risk all that 10 years of struggle, sweat, tears, and bicep training to try this intermittent fasting. And I said, I will try it for 1 week. And he wrote back and said, oh man, you are a good person, man. You are good people. You are sweet. You are handsome. You got a big bicep. Thank you very much, my friend. And I tried this son of a bitch intermittent fasting thing for 1 week. And I started off by measuring my bicep. At the beginning of the week, I measured my bicep. And my bicep was 25 centimeters all around. At the beginning of the week. Keep that in mind. And then I did this intermittent fasting thing. The first day, I was eating like I was obese or something, man. I was eating cotton candy. I was driving down to McDonald's, man. What did I just say? Did I just say cotton candy? Goddamn niggas, I was fooling your ass. Niggas don't need cotton candy, man. You thought I was just cheating. But no. I was, back to be serious, man. I was eating meat. I was eating beef, beef, beef. And I was eating protein, protein, and protein all day long. Breakfast protein, pre-breakfast. I ate pre-breakfast, breakfast, after breakfast. And I did that all the way, all day. Pre, main, and after. All day. And the next day, I was fasting, man. This fasting day, man. It was like hell, man. I couldn't eat no beef. I couldn't eat no protein shake. I've been eating protein shakes and beef for 10 years straight to get my bicep. So it was hard, man, but I did it. I did it for my friend, because I'm a good people. Good human being, sweet as fuck. And I did this for 1 week. 1 week straight. And at the end of the week, I measured my bicep again. I measured it one more time. At the beginning of the week, it was 25 centimeters. At the end of the week, at the end of intermittent fasting, it was 24 centimeters all the way. It was shrunking, man. It was shrunking like a piece of pie at my birthday. I got you again. I don't eat pie, man. I only eat beef and protein. No pie at my birthday, man. But it was shrunk, man. It was shrunk, man. And I wrote back to my friend. I was trying to keep my temper down because he's a good guy too, man. He's my friend. Only good people is friends with good people like me. And I wrote back, son, intermittent fasting sucks. ... I did not want to write anything more because I couldn't, man. My bicep was shrunk after 10 years struggling.